Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to explore one of the most powerful truths you will ever understand in your life, and that is the idea of working on yourself, not your job, not your environment, not other people, but yourself. Because in reality, everything you want in life is directly connected to who you are becoming as a person, yet, most people spend years trying to fix what is outside them. They try to change their income, their surroundings, their relationships, their results, but they ignore the one thing that actually controls all of it, which is their own mindset, their habits, and their identity. And that is exactly why they remain stuck, because if you do not grow internally, your external life will keep repeating itself different year. But the same thinking, same habits, same struggles, same outcomes. You might change your location or get a new opportunity, but if your mindset stays the same, you will recreate the same problems again. And that is why self improvement is not optional, it is the foundation of everything meaningful. And working on yourself is not about watching motivational videos or reading quotes for a few minutes. It is about changing how you think, how you behave, and how you show up every single day. It means doing what feels uncomfortable, fixing habits that are damaging your future, building habits that strengthen you, learning to control your thoughts instead of letting them control you, and continuing to improve even when nobody is watching. And the truth is, it is not easy, it is not fast, and it is not always exciting, but it is real and it works. And the reason most people avoid this path is simple: it is uncomfortable, it is much easier to complain, to blame others, to delay action, to say, I will start tomorrow, and to remain the same. But real growth requires honesty. It requires you to admit that you are wasting time, that you are inconsistent, that you are avoiding what matters, that you are not disciplined. And many people are not willing to face that truth, so they avoid it. But the ones who grow are the ones who accept it, and that is the difference. Because in life, there are generally two types of people. One, group keeps waiting. They wait for motivation, for the perfect time, for help, for life to become easier, while the other group takes action. They work even when they do not feel ready. They continue even when progress is slow. They show up even when nobody notices, and over time, their lives change completely, not because of luck, but because of consistent effort. And this journey begins with one critical step: taking full responsibility for your life. Because if you keep believing that your situation is controlled by external factors, you will always feel powerless. And without control, there can be no real improvement. So you must stop blaming your past, your environment, other people, time, or luck. Because every time you blame something outside of you, you give away your power, and responsibility does not mean everything is your fault. It simply means everything is your responsibility to improve. And that difference is powerful. Your past may not be your fault, but your future is still your responsibility. Your situation may be difficult, but improving it is still your responsibility. And once you truly accept this, something shifts inside you. You stop waiting and you start acting. And from that point forward, your focus moves toward what you can control: your habits, your actions, your time, your growth, and that is where real change begins. Because life is not built on big moments as people often believe, it is built on small daily actions. Your habits shape your identity, and your identity shapes your life. So, what you repeat every day becomes who you are, not what you plan or hope for. And if your daily routine is filled with distractions, delays, and avoidance, then your life will slowly become unfocused and stressful. But if your days are structured with discipline, learning, and consistent effort, your life will become strong and clear over time, even if you do not notice it immediately, because habits work quietly in the background, like small drops of water that eventually shape stone. And that is why you should not try to change everything at once. Instead, start small. Wake up at a fixed time. Dedicate time to learning. Practice your skills. Reduce distractions. Complete important tasks. And most importantly, stay consistent because consistency removes the need for constant motivation. And as your habits improve, your identity begins to shift. You become someone who follows through, someone who shows up, someone who keeps going, and that changes everything. And another key truth you must understand is that growth requires doing difficult things, especially when you do not feel like doing them, because most people rely too much on their emotions. They wait until they feel ready or motivated. But those feelings are unreliable. They come and go. And if you depend on them, you will stay stuck because real growth always feels uncomfortable in the beginning. Waking up early feels difficult. Focusing feels hard. Discipline feels painful. But that is not a problem. It is part of the process, just like when you go to the gym for the first time. Your body feels weak and sore. But with repetition, it becomes stronger. Life works the same way. The difference between people is not intelligence, but behavior. One person chooses comfort while the other chooses growth. And over time, that small difference leads to completely different results. So train your mind to act regardless of how you feel. Do one difficult task every day. Finish what you start. And do not quit when it becomes boring or uncomfortable. Because each time you do that, you build trust with yourself, and that trust becomes confidence. And once you stop depending on motivation, you become unstoppable because you no longer wait for the perfect mood. You act anyway, and people who act consistently are the ones who move forward in life. Now, as you continue this journey of working on yourself, there is something equally important that you must understand, and that is the power of your environment. Because many people believe success depends only on inner strength. But the truth is, even a strong person can slowly be shaped by the wrong surroundings, not suddenly, not dramatically, but quietly over time. And your environment is not just the place where you live, it is everything that influences your mind on a daily basis, the people you spend time with, the conversations you listen to, the content you consume, the habits you see around you, and the standards that become normal in your life. Because once something feels normal, you stop questioning it. So if you are surrounded by people who waste time, then wasting time starts to feel acceptable. If you are surrounded by negativity, then negative thinking becomes your default, and you may not even notice this change happening. It happens slowly through repeated exposure. Just like a clean glass placed under dirty, dripping water will not change in a single drop. But over time, it becomes completely contaminated, and that is exactly how your environment shapes you. So, if you truly want to grow, you must begin to control what you allow into your life. Reduce time with people who drain your energy. Limit exposure to content that distracts you. Choose carefully what you watch, what you listen to, and what you focus on. Keep your physical space clean and organized, and create moments of silence where you can think clearly. Because even small changes in your environment can lead to powerful changes in your behavior. And when your surroundings support your growth, you no longer have to fight yourself every single day. Instead, your environment starts pushing you forward without effort. And along with environment comes another critical principle, and that is focus. Because most people try to improve everything at once. They want better health, more income, stronger habits, new skills, and a perfect lifestyle all at the same time. And because of that, they end up achieving nothing. Not because they are lazy, but because their energy is divided. And when your focus is scattered, your progress becomes weak. You start something new, feel excited. Then, when it becomes difficult, you switch to something else. And this cycle repeats again and again, leaving you busy but not better. So instead of trying to do everything, Choose one clear direction. Ask yourself, what is the most important area of your life that needs improvement right now? And commit to it. Work on it consistently, even when progress feels slow, even when it becomes boring, because real results come from depth, not from constant switching. Just like digging a well requires staying in one place long enough to reach water, your growth requires the same level of focus, and as you stay committed to one path, your effort becomes stronger, your results become visible, and your confidence begins to grow. And this leads you to another powerful concept, which is identity. Because most people chase results without understanding that results are a reflection of who you are, not the other way around. You do not become confident first and then act. You act consistently and then confidence follows. And right now, there is a gap between the person you are and the person you know you can become. And that gap is created by your daily actions because every time you avoid discomfort, break your promises, or choose convenience over growth, you weaken your self respect. And self respect is simply the trust you have in yourself. It is built when you say something and actually follow through, even when it is difficult. And every small promise you keep strengthens that trust. So start small, do what you say you will do, finish what you start, and stop lying to yourself. Because when you build self respect, you no longer depend on external validation. You become stable, focused, and strong from within. And one of the biggest obstacles to this growth is the habit of avoiding discomfort. Because most people are not incapable, they are simply unwilling to face discomfort. They run away from hard work, from difficult conversations, from effort and discipline because it feels uncomfortable. But discomfort is not something to fear. It is actually a signal that you are growing. It means you are stepping beyond your limits. And if you learn to stay in that discomfort instead of escaping it, your capacity expands. Just like learning to swim feels uncomfortable at first, but becomes natural with practice, your mind adapts in the same way. So train yourself to do uncomfortable things daily, speak when you feel nervous, work when you feel lazy, continue when it feels boring, and stay when it becomes difficult. Because everything you want exists outside your comfort zone. And once you stop running from discomfort, you stop being controlled by fear. And that is when real strength begins to develop. And as you move forward, you will reach a stage where progress feels invisible, where results are not showing, where effort feels pointless. And this is where most people quit, not at the beginning, but in the middle, when excitement fades and reality sets in. But this phase is normal, it is part of the process because growth often happens beneath the surface before it becomes visible, just like water heating slowly before it starts to boil. And most people stop before reaching that point. So instead of focusing only on results, focus on consistency. Show up every day, repeat the process, and trust that progress is happening even if you cannot see it yet. Because consistency builds momentum, and momentum eventually leads to results. And beyond consistency, there is something else you must protect, and that is your time. Because time is not just a resource, it is your life. Every hour you waste is something you can never get back, and most people lose their future not in one big mistake, but in small daily distractions. Minutes spent scrolling, hours spent on meaningless activities, and slowly those moments add up into wasted days, months, and years. So you must start treating your time with respect, reduce unnecessary phone usage, avoid conversations that do not add value, learn to say no to things that do not matter, and focus your energy on what truly matters. Because you do not need more time. You need better use of the time you already have. And when you protect your time, you create space for growth, clarity, and progress. And finally, all of this leads to one of the most important aspects of your life, which is purpose. Because without a clear direction, you can stay busy but still feel lost. You can work hard but move nowhere. And when you do not have purpose, you become easily distracted, easily influenced, and easily confused. But when you define a clear direction, even a simple one, your actions begin to make sense, your decisions become easier, and your focus becomes stronger. And purpose does not have to be something big or complicated. It can be as simple as improving your skills, building discipline, or becoming a better version of yourself. But it must be clear enough to guide your daily actions, and once you have that direction, everything changes. You stop wasting time, you stop comparing yourself to others, and you start moving forward with intention. And the final piece of this journey is understanding the importance of investing in yourself because many people try to improve their situation without improving themselves. But your life can only grow to the level that you grow. So instead of waiting for better opportunities, become better yourself. Invest your time in learning, in building skills, in strengthening your mindset, in improving your discipline, in taking care of your health, and in developing your ability to communicate because these are the things that stay with you no matter what happens. And just like a plant grows slowly when watered consistently, your self development works the same way. You may not see results immediately, but if you continue, one day the growth becomes visible and everything starts to change. Your thinking becomes clearer, your habits become stronger, your confidence becomes natural and your life begins to move in a new direction. And at that point, people may say, "You changed," but they did not see the daily effort behind it. And that is the truth. Real growth is quiet, it happens daily, in small actions, repeated over time. So at the end of the day, remember this: no one is coming to change your life. It is your habits, your decisions, your actions that will shape your future. So start now, not tomorrow, not later, but now. And keep going even when it feels hard, because one day all of this effort will become the life you once imagined.